Welcome back to the 7-step attraction marketing formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about step number 2, defining your audience. Let's get started. Hey, it's Norbert Olowitz here again, co-founder of MLSP, where we help home business owners get results. In the last video, we talked about step number 1 of the 7-step attraction marketing formula, which is branding you. In this video, step number 2, we're going to be talking about a critical step, which is defining your audience and your ideal client. This second step of the attraction marketing formula is vital. You need to get crystal clear on exactly who your audience is, who is going to be your ideal customer. Before you can grow any business, you need to first get crystal clear on who you're going to be speaking to. Who do you serve? Who do you want to serve? Who do you want to be? And for what target audience? A big piece of the brand you attraction marketing method is who are you? What is your passion? What is your vision? What group of people do you want to make an impact with? These are important choices that you've got to make before you start marketing. For example, let's say you're in a health and wellness company that you absolutely love. You're going to want to decide who your core audience is going to be, who you're going to be speaking to. Are you most passionate about healthy organic foods, clean eating, diets, gut health, exercise and workout regimens, recipes, body hacks, etc.? Or are you more passionate about marketing and entrepreneurship, teaching and training generic home business owners how to get traffic, leads, and sales? Now, yes, there is a way to combine both messaging brands creatively, and we can teach you how to create content for both of those examples in a way that gets you customers and reps. But what is going to be your brand? What is the core audience that you want to be speaking to? Is it going to be health nuts or entrepreneurs? In this example, you are going to want to dig deep and find your true passion to extract the most profit out of this 7-step attraction marketing method. So, a great question to ask yourself is this: what do you love talking about? What special knowledge or expertise do you possess, or do you want to talk about? Because you're going to have to get excited about creating content around the subject matter for your audience every single day. If the subject matter sets your soul on fire and gets you excited, then it's going to be super easy. You can't fake it. Don't try to create content about things that you aren't excited about, because it's not going to last. Trust me when I say that you cannot serve everyone. When you try to speak to and appeal to everyone, you speak to no one. Your message becomes generic and boring, and you'll have a challenge creating that true connection with your ideal customers. Now, as your business grows and your marketing develops, you'll be able to expand your messaging. But I promise you, for now, as you're starting, just get specific and focus on one ideal client that you desire to serve right now. All right, so let me actually give you a real-world example so you better understand what we're talking about here. I'll give you an example from a very famous company. You probably know them, Lululemon. They create athletic apparel, originally just for women. Now they've expanded their line to include men as well. So Lululemon actually created their ideal client, and her name is Ocean. She's 32 years old. She earns $100,000 a year. She owns a condo. She's a professional, and she works out. She does yoga and works out regularly every week. By creating this ideal client, everything they did in the business, include everything from design, the marketing, and the messaging, the look and feel of the store, was all designed specifically for Ocean. Now, what's amazing here is as you read this story about Lululemon, is you see that they were able to build a very unique and very specific brand and compete in a very competitive marketplace with big brands like Nike, Reebok, and Adidas. Now, the other thing that I found really fascinating about this, as I was doing my research on this, is to see how they were able to actually attract other women, and not just women in their 30s, but they were able to attract older women, because those older women longed for the days where they were like Ocean. And they also attracted younger women in their 20s because they looked up to and desired to be like Ocean when they grew up. But by getting very specific on their ideal client, they were able to get laser focused on their messaging. Now, we've actually got a downloadable PDF document. We'll put the link down in the description below that'll help you actually work through creating this ideal customer, this ideal client. Do that now. All right, so if you're enjoying this series, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, hit that bell so you get notified when we put out a new training. And if you got a big breakthrough or if you've got any questions, make sure that you leave a comment below to share with the community. And click the link in the description below to continue with the 7-step attraction marketing formula.